Hello mga kanegosyo, I am Ms. Ram, your partner in creating your own skincare brand. And for today's video, we'll be talking about and we'll be showcasing yung mga products na available sa amin for rebranding. So we are going to start off with soap. Ano nga ba yung klase ng sabon na open for rebranding? Why it is better to start off with our pre-formulated product. So, meron tayong dalawang category of product that is open for rebranding and private labeling. So, we have our pre-formulated products and we also have yung own formulation naman ni client. So, kapag sinabing pre-formulated product, ito po yung mga own formulation namin na nasa market na. So, we also offer naman yung services of creating and customizing the formulation for the client, kung ano ba yung gusto ni client, kung ano yung target market ni client, target skincare ni client, and of course, we also offer yung ingredients na gusto niya, no? So, we have here, meron tayong glass skin, we also have gluta-charcoal, meron din tayong tea tree, kojic soap, blue bleach, meron din tayong charcoal and niacinamide, and of course, the bleaching collagen. So, ito ay open for 70 grams, 100 grams, and 135 grams depending on your preferences. Syempre, when you are rebranding your product, when you are starting your own brand, it is better to answer such questions such as ano yung target problem na gusto mong i-resolve ng skincare product na gusto mong i-launch sa market. Ano yung skincare type ng target market mo? Ano kaya yung magiging unique selling proposition ng brand mo? So, dito sa amin, no, kapag nagpagawa ka ng or nag-rebrand ka, what's best about it is 100% organic siya. And of course, yung mga soap namin is formulated with wherein science meets beauty and innovation, no? So, ang target natin dito, of course, makapag-bring out ng confidence sa mga taos because they will feel beautiful when they use our soap. 100% organic yung ating mga soap dito. Raw materials are sourced from Thailand and Japan. And of course, sobrang ganda ng formulation ng ating mga sabon. We also have testimonies na in the market already. So, if you wanted to start your own brand, you can start for as low as 2,500 pesos sa aming soap, sa quality ng soap natin, ano? So, ano naman yung process that we are using in creating our soap? It is called cold process method. So, we are doing saphonification on our soap, ano? So, that is why meron siyang 4 to 6 weeks waiting time. The reason is, dumadaan po talaga siya sa proper curation, no? Hindi po ito yung ginawa lang agad, nandyan na po agad, no? Sa amin kasi on every product, no? On every availment, dun pa lang gagawin yung product. Kasi ang kalaban mo sa beauty soap or ang kalaban mo sa skincare industry is the expiration. Kung magpapa-formulate ka, magpapagawa ka, magre-rebrand ka, maglo-launch ka ng brand mo, it is important to note na huwag kang kukuha ng stock product. Ipagawa mo from fresh. 'Di ba? Para secured ka when it comes with the stability ng product mo. So, if you're interested to start off with soap, yep, we are open for as low as 2,500 pesos. Ano yung inclusion nun? Meron na po siyang logo layout. Meron na din siyang photo and video shoot at syempre free label sticker, free shipping nationwide. Sa company namin, nagsiship din kami international, Canada, Australia, US, UAE, anywhere in the world. No, nag-ship tayo dyan. So, if you're interested to start, all you have to do is to message me directly via Blue App. You can email us at cwayshop.official@gmail.com, or you may also click the link in my bio so that we can talk over Messenger. And of course, you can message me via WhatsApp. We can set up a Zoom meeting. Meeting muna tayo for the consultation phase. You can visit our office located here in Imus, Cavite. So, if you're interested to start your own brand, alam mo nang gagawin mo, mag-message ka lang directly sa akin. Thank you!